May I come in, sir?
Yes, please come in.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Have your seat.
Thank you, sir.
So, how are you, Sumit?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay, good. Sumit, as I can see your DAAF, your application form, you
Yes,
have
sir.
done BTech, right?
Yes, sir.
Then you did PG in economics,
Yes, sir.
and then you joined TCS.
No, sir. Actually, after completed my BTech, then after I joined TCS,
Okay,
and thereafter I joined IMD as an scientific assistant.
okay,
During the service, I have completed my PG.
okay. So you did BTech, you did PG in economics, you
Yes,
joined
sir.
TCS, you joined IMD Ranchi, and now
Yes,
Patna High Court. Sumit,
yes.
don't you think that it seems like you do not have clarity in your life?
No, sir. Actually, BTech was my technical course. I have to
Okay,
complete it, and during the service, I have a lot of free time. So I think rather than sitting, I think we can explore other area other than the science. So I opted for the economics and completed it from the first class.
okay. Why not any other subject? Why particularly economics?
Economics is somewhat related to mathematics, and I really like mathematics. And in my free time, I teach mathematics to senior secondary and secondary students too. That's why I like economics. And I opt for the mathematics, but the distance course was not available for the mathematics.
Okay,
So that's why I choose in arts economics subject.
okay. So you did economics. You did post graduation in economics. So
Yes, sir.
Sumit, do you know who is the current governor of RBI?
Yes, sir. It's Dr. Sakti Ramkant Das.
Okay, and means what is the role of monetary policy in our
Sir,
economics? Just basic structure. I want to know.
okay. The RBI is the key agency that governs the monetary policy of India, and
Okay.
that fixes the repo rate, primary lending rate, base rate, and
Mhm.
SDFR rate. There are many other rates that are suitable for our economy of the country that
Mhm.
are decided by the key governing principle by RBI.
So what is the role of repo rate? Why this repo rate? Why? What is the use of this rate?
Sir, the repo rate stands for repurchasing option. This is
Okay.
the rate at which RBI gives loans to other bank.
Okay.
This the duration for this loan is 2 to 14 days, and
Okay.
if the loan duration is 1 day or less than 14 days, then RBI uses something called marginal facility extending rate.
MS.
So MSFR.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is reverse repo?
Reverse repo rate is the rate at which RBI takes the money from the bank. The rate
Why
at which
means
RBI
RBI is the house of money? Why RBI taking the money from the bank? What is the use of
uh,
this reverse repo?
yes, sir. Sometimes there might be a situation the RBI needs money from the other banks to
Okay, Sumit,
fulfill our.
repo rate is only for the taking money or giving money. Isn't it controlling the inflation in the economy?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is controlling inflation of the
Basic
country.
role of the monetary policy is to control the inflation.
Inflation. Yes, sir.
So, okay. Okay, Sumit, tell me only five thing about your district. You live in
Saharsa.
Saharsa, Bihar. So tell me five thing about your district, Saharsa.
Uh, in the geographical front, the Saharsa is a landlocked country, and it touches one of the boundary in country boundary, that is Nepal.
Okay,
Second, the district magistrate of the Saharsa is Mr. Vaibhav Chaudhary, IS officer,
okay,
sir.
good.
And the third thing, the main crop production in Saharsa area is makhana. that is also exported to other country, to USA or Canada, etc.
Okay, very
And
good.
On the on the cultural
Historical front. I want to know about the historical front of Saharsa district.
historical front. Uh, Historical front of the Saharsa it is called the heart of the Mithila region,
Good.
and
Okay, Sumit,
and
which, because you are going to join the Patna High Court, so which
yes,
act is responsible for the establishment of Patna High Court?
I'm not sure about it.
Okay. Okay, Sumit, as I can see, your hobby is teaching. Like you like to do teaching in your free
Yes, sir.
time. So why not
Yes, sir.
make it a profession? Because you will do good in that thing because you like teaching. Why not make
Yes,
it
sir.
a profession? Why Patna High Court? Teaching is a good job.
Yes,
And
sir.
you
Teaching is definitely a very good job. But sir, from the teaching comes to my mind after my graduation.
okay,
I have completed my graduation, and during the job time, I have a lot of free time. So that's why I opt for the teaching. And if there is an option before my graduation, then I definitely choose for the go for the teaching one.
why not now? Because you are a good
Actually,
you teach mathematics, right?
yes, sir.
Then why not become a mathematic teacher?
So being a mathematics teacher, I have go for the again B.Ed courses, and that takes a lot of time. So
Means why apply for the government job? You can go for any private academy like Akash and other thing.
yeah, yes, sir, sure, sir. I can go for, but there is a uh, the on the personal front, I choose for the job that is nearest my hometown. And
Okay.
as my father was in military, he always stayed from us, and so I opt for the Patna High Court assistant that is near my hometown. And other than the personal front, I have done my BTech. So there are a lot of technical changes that are going to take place in Patna High Court, or currently it is going. So I want to explore the knowledge in the technical field too. So that's why I didn't opt for the teaching.
Good. Okay, Sumit, suppose means two-person came to you for help, right?
Yes, sir.
And you have only that much resources that you can help only one person.
Okay.
And suddenly you came to know that one of them is belongs to you. He's your relative. So whom do you want to help?
So if I have only one resource to help, I choose them who is more needy. If the parameter of the needness is the same for the both the persons, I go for the who can be more helpful from my help. If the if the impact of the my help from one person uh, is greater than the other person, I will help for the first one, other then go for the former one.
Okay, Sumit, who is your idol personality?
So it's my elder brother Sudarshan
I
Kumar.
said idol personality, not person. Like
Okay,
Vivekananda and all this thing.
okay, sorry, sir.
They are personality. Okay. So who is
Is
your
Dr.
idol personality?
Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, sir.
Okay. Suppose that you have a chance, like uh, you got a time machine and you go to the past and you have a chance to meet to the APJ Abdul Kalam and you have 15 minutes to talk with him. So tell me, what will you ask to him in just one minute?
Okay, sir. First I will greet him, and thanks to meeting me. The one thing, the one quality that he dedicates, that the how he thinks about the technology, and how can he keep himself motivated to the betterment of the country. That is the two things I will ask in under 1 minute.
Okay, very good.
What is the driving force?
Okay, Sumit, you are not married, right?
Yes, sir.
So suppose that you got a opportunity to marry your choice woman,
Yes, sir.
the choice of your woman. So whom will you choose? A working woman, a non-working woman? Whom will you
Sir,
choose?
mhm. On the personal front, if the working woman, I don't need have any problem with whether the woman is working or not working. It depends on my psychological and psychological and emotional needs. Who suits me better? So on the basis of that, I will choose working or not non-working.
But it is not my answer. I said working or non-working. Straightforward answer.
So if it is in my department, then I will choose for them. Then I will go for working.
Okay, suppose you married a girl and who is working
Hmm.
with you in your department, like Patna High Court, and
Hmm.
suddenly she realized that Patna High Court not suits her, and she
Hmm.
tried to change her job and got a job in Delhi. Then what will you do? Will you allow her to stay in Delhi for fulfilling her dream?
Yeah, definitely, sir. I will allow her because it's her dream.
Mhm.
And moreover, I already told that my father was in military and he always stayed away from us. So I have to also keep my parents to nearby my home side. If her job allows to go to Delhi, or maybe if she is in central government, so maybe she can take transfer to Patna.
Okay, it is your last question, Sumit.